Now, the Prime Minister will inaugurate the 3-day-long annual DGP conference in Dhordo tent city in Bhuj in the run of Kutch, where he will interact with the country's top cops on internal security challenges. The venue, Dhordo, is known all over the world for its annual Ran Utsav.
This is Dhordo, around 80 kilometers from Bhuj. Every year around this time, tourists throng this area to see the beauty of the world-famous annual Ran Utsav. But this year things are different. This tent city is ready to host Prime Minister and India's top internal security establishment. 3-day-long annual DGP conference will take place from 18th to 20th December. Pressing concerns before the country will be deliberated. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to spend almost 3 days in Bhuj. This will be for the first time that a Prime Minister will deliberate with the top policemen and internal security heads of the country in such great detail. So far, Prime Minister had been attending the inauguration session only. According to sources, Prime Minister is likely to speak at the end after attending crucial sessions on influence of Islamic State, role of the social media in violence and left-wing extremism. The idea is to go deeper into the subject. But it will all be done with a dose of morning yoga and sattvic food for the delegates.
साइबर क्राइम है, उसके ऊपर एक विशेष चर्चा करने में आएगी और विमेन सेफ्टी के बारे में, टूरिस्ट पुलिसिंग के बारे में, पुलिसिंग को कैसे सुदृढ़ किया जाए, नागरिकों को अच्छी सेवा पुलिस प्रदान कर सके, उसके बारे में भी चर्चा करने में आएगी। रेडिकलाइजेशन, ISIS, क्रॉस बॉर्डर टेररिज्म, ये सब बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट मुद्दे हैं जो इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में चर्चा में आएंगे और इनका विस्तार कहाँ कहाँ हुआ है, कहाँ कैसे रोका जा सकता है और हमें इनके लिए क्या क्या प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स लेने चाहिए, वो सब चीज़ें भी इसमें डिस्कस की ही जाएंगी इस मुद्दे में।
Besides the Prime Minister, Home Minister Rajnath Singh, his deputy and around 400 top officials will also attend it. DGPs of all states and chiefs of paramilitary services such as the BSF, the CRPF, the ITBP will be present for the conference. Elaborate security scheme has been made as Kutch shares a border with Pakistan. Coastal security has also been beefed up. Gujarat Marine Police and the Indian Coast Guard have increased patrolling of the shores of Kutch. Bureau Report, DD News.